Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, click the link. We've got another stunning car for you today. This is a car that we built about 3 years ago. It went through a full bare metal respray, now in this gorgeous metallic green. And on top of that, it's had a number of extras put together for this 997 Restomod. What you'll see is a GT3 front splitter, GT3 rear splitter, ducktail, Recaro seats, momo steering wheel, new centre exhaust with a remap. She goes really well. Just going to take her for another spin up the drive in a second. We're going to get her through the workshop next week, and if you want to call for more details, please.